Now, you know, we looked at the crop a few moments ago.
Mm-hmm.
There's a really neat new feature with crop that I'd like to show you.
Okay.
So we have our picture selected. Did you notice there's a drop-down arrow under crop?
Oh, okay.
Click on that drop-down and crop to shape. Let's choose that.
Oh, that looks a lot like the shapes we were working with a little while ago.
It is. It is. And the thing is, I can crop the picture based on a shape. So you pick one that looks good to you.
Okay. I think I'll start off with this wavy one here.
All right. And there you go. Isn't that pretty cool?
Oh, that is neat. I like that a lot.
There are a few other neat little things that we have in our picture tools.
Okay.
So let's just take a quick look at those. Over on the far left, you have corrections. If you click on that, I don't know about you, I take a lot of pictures, and sometimes I don't get the flash going off when I want to, or the lighting's not right, and I haven't got the settings correct on my camera. And so maybe I need to brighten or darken the picture. And this is where you can do that. Notice you're getting a preview. In fact, let's do this. Click out of there and drag the picture to the right so we can see it when you click down on this. So click on corrections again. And it's just like the other live previews. If you start hovering over different areas, of course this is a pretty well done picture. It obviously was a professional picture. But you see as you move into the brightness and contrast that some of these are going to be, like go in that top left one under brightness and contrast. Okay, go back to corrections, right below that, that one. See how darker it is? So if you go back to corrections, let's say that's where we started with our picture, then we can come back and say, okay, it needs to be brighter. So let's find out. And if you notice, as you move around, you have screen tips that tell you how much they're adding contrast, which is the difference between the darks and the lights, and how much they're adding brightness. And you can hover over and find the one you like.
Okay.
Look pretty good?
Yep, that looks good.
Another thing we can do, there's all sorts of cool artistic things in here. There's color schemes. It's kind of a color wash.
Oh, okay.
So I can come in here, I can make them purple if I want to. What was your, let's see, you had orange and pink as your company. That's kind of an antique look, isn't it?
Yeah, it kind of is.
There's your orange background. That's kind of cool. So you could do all sorts of things along those lines and look at various ways that you could put the picture out there.
Okay.
And then there's artistic effects, and this is really interesting. Just hover over some of the options here and watch what happens to your picture.
Oh, wow.
So you're getting, that's like a pencil etching, and there's some that, you know, start looking like drawings, or they fuzzy them out.
Oh, what's this one right here? Oh, wow, it's like a bunch of squares.
And it's digitized. It looks like it's pixelated.
Oh, that's neat. Looks
It's got like a weave in there, yeah. Look at that bottom one. Let's look at that. Now, is that not some wild looking donuts? Do you think your children would eat those?
My children probably would. I'm not sure about our customers, though.
No, I don't think so either. But anyway, there are some great tools within Microsoft Office for editing your pictures.
That is great. That looks like we could just go in there and play with that for days.
Probably so. If we had the time, right?
Exactly. But that looks good the way it is.
Great. What we'll do next is we'll look at some clip art and some screenshots.
Okay. That sounds good.